Hello and welcome to News 9. I'm Nishchita, and first up, a techie in Bengaluru was found mysteriously dead at his residence in Indiranagar. The deceased has been identified as 35-year-old Adhivir Mukherjee. His body was in a decomposing state when it was found. Well, this comes close on the heels of the death of yet another techie in Sun City Apartments in HSR layout, and now in Indiranagar for 4 long days. This techie had not been returning calls, but after that there was a stench of sorts that filled the neighborhood, and the neighbors were alerted due to the stench. The door was forced open only to find the techie dead inside. His decomposing body was found inside. Whether it was a natural death or whether it was a case of suicide or murder, these are the details that we're still awaiting, but it is certainly a case of mysterious death. Well, in fact, Adhivir worked as a software engineer in the city and was originally from West Bengal. His family was trying to reach him for the past 4 days but received no response. This is when they informed one of his friends living in Yeshwantpur. He visited Adhvir's house on Monday evening but found that it was locked from the inside. They broke open the door and found him dead. The body was sent to Bowring Hospital for a post-mortem, and a case has been registered with the Indiranagar police. The decomposing body of the techie was found at his residence in Indiranagar. Adhivir Mukherjee was a native of Kolkata, and it was his family's concern that finally alerted his friends. My colleague Bansi joins us with more details on this. Well, Bansi, what more can you tell us about this case?
Well, in this case, it looks more like a case of a death. It doesn't look like there is any murder angle to it, because the techie, it is true, was found dead in his bedroom, but it looks unnatural, or could be a case of a heart attack, because his door was securely bolted from inside, as his landowner pointed out. This is on the first floor near the Indiranagar area, near the 100 feet road Indiranagar, and if you look at the house itself, there doesn't look like there is any violence within, because if we suspect it is murder, then there should be some kind of a resistance. So there is no scene of a violence within the room itself. And the police, this is the information that the police have, that when he did not respond to phone calls the whole of yesterday and the whole of the day before, that is on Monday and Tuesday, it is at that time that some of his relatives got suspicious and alerted his friends from the company and others. So they went to an adjoining flat, to an adjoining building, and from there they peered into the window of this building. And at that point of time, on the bed, left, and then they forced open the door along with the help of the police and entered into the place, only to find him dead, and then the body was taken to Bowring. The details of the post-mortem is expected. It doesn't look like a murder as things stand now.
Right, and also, Bansi, are the police suspecting that there could be more to this case than what meets the eye? Are there any external injuries on the body?
If the police suspect unnatural death, that is a presumption they could work on, because could it be a case of suicide? Well, that is something they're working on. It doesn't look like there's any scuffle, no resistance, no unnatural injuries on the body as of now, Nishchita.
Right. Thank you for joining us with all those details there, Bansi. Well, there we have it. Techie's decomposing body was found at his residence. For now, the police believe that there is no foul play involved in the case, and probably it could be a case of a heart attack, and that's the reason why he lost his life. There is no forced entry into the house. There is no signs of any struggle inside the house, and the door was carefully latched from inside the house. So the police believe that there is no foul play involved, but it could be a case of a natural death.